Hi, I'm Harry Patience Davies, and I'm a storytelling coach. I've talked a little bit about how, when using data, you should be really selective and not overwhelm or drown your audience in multiple numbers. One key number is what you need, but it needs to be a number that your audience understands. And sometimes, when numbers get a little bit too big, they start to lack context. If you tell me something is 10,000 feet high, I'm going to have to stop and concentrate and think, oh, well, it's 10,000 of these, 10,000 of these. How tall is that? How long is that? How far is that? But if you tell me something is the height of the Eiffel Tower, or the height of the Shard in London, or the height of the Empire State Building, I have a much stronger visual recognition of what that looks like. I have exactly the same thing in terms of area, and I don't think I'm the only person who does. Someone says that it's 50 square miles or 500 square miles. My brain is like, I don't know if that's big or if that's small. And if we start getting into things like hectares, I've got absolutely no idea. So, how many football fields is it? How many, well, how many parks? How many Regent's Parks is it? Or whatever, or Central Park, or whatever makes sense to you locally in your context as a unit of measurement that adds context that an audience will understand. Don't just rely on a big number doing the work for you because it's in the tens or hundreds of thousands. Give people a number they can understand. Give people a number they can visualize.